welcome back. If you're new here, we are running through all of the recipes inside the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. This book is available on Amazon. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link in the caption. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we are actually starting the dessert part of this book, which I'm super excited about. So the first one we're going to do today is the Boulder Cucumber Cream Cheese Toast. So for this recipe, you're going to need cottage cheese, extra virgin olive oil, some black pepper, low sodium white bread, some dill, a cucumber, and cream cheese. So the first step is you want to take 2 slices of your low sodium white bread and toast them. So I'm going to toast mine and I'll come back. Okay, so now my bread is toasted. It asks for 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, so I'm going to use a tablespoon for each. There's 1 tablespoon. And another. Just going to spread that out on your toast. Next, you want to take 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese and do the same thing. This is probably going to be so good. Here's what it's looking like. Next, we want to cut up about 1/4 of a cucumber. Say that's about 1/4. You're just going to chop them into slices. So about 4 pieces fit on each bread for me. We're gonna chop up about a teaspoon of fresh dill, and we're gonna sprinkle that on top. Try to evenly spread it out the best that you can. Just gonna do a pinch of black pepper. And it asks for 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Because my pieces are quite small, I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon across both. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks super good, so I'm really excited. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that is so good. And this is such a healthy alternative, and like, you're able to spice up your morning breakfast. I would totally eat this for breakfast. It's a different way to make your toast in the morning. Add a little spice to your morning, if you will. I'm going to be adding this into my everyday. Personally, I'll probably skip putting the extra virgin olive oil on it. I'm not a huge fan of that taste, but you really can't taste it that much. I just think if I were to make this on my own, I would do it without. Just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe from. There's a link in my caption, so thanks for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.